Well, here we are. We're just about back to our home base, Sand Harbor. A place people swim over here. A place to put your boats in the water, both kayaks and power boats and fishing boats. A little snack bar. For being on Lake Tahoe, sunny California. We're so lucky. Andy, turn around. There he is. Bye-bye.